Hello and welcome to Schmiedman. My name is Henrik and I'm a product manager. So today I have a new exciting product. This one is from BMW and it is some paddle shifters. So let's do an unboxing and see what you get in the box. So these paddle shifters are for the newer generation of cars. So it's the G series. It will fit almost all the G models from a G20 to a G30, both the G30 before facelift and after. So they come wrapped in these bubble wraps and then inside a non-static bag. So both of them this is the back side of them, where you have a rubber grip, and then the front side where you have the carbon fiber inlay along with the electronics. So these are easy to install, they're plug and play, and it shouldn't take a long while to get them installed. Expect maybe 30 minutes to an hour. It is only one bolt, but you need to remove the airbag and the electronics from the front of the steering wheel to get them fitted. If you have paddle shifters already, these are a direct replacement. If you don't have paddle shifters already, you'll need additional work done to have them fitted to your steering wheel. It is possible, but if you need help, reach out to us and we'll be able to assist you with all the parts you need. But let's have a closer look at them so you can see for yourself what you get in the box. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching, and on an end note, welcome to our world for passion for BMW and MINI. Bye.